Session 37. Parallel lines and angle relationships. When a transversal crosses two parallel lines, matching angle patterns repeat. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and co-interior angles on the same side total 180 degrees. By the end, you'll identify each relationship, calculate missing angles, use vertically opposite angles when needed, and solve algebraic parallel line problems. Corresponding angles occupy matching corners and are equal. Alternate angles lie between the lines on opposite sides of the transversal and are equal. Co-interior angles lie between the parallel lines on the same side of the transversal and add to 180 degrees. Parallel lines and transversals appear in transport, construction, and design. Road lanes crossed by another route create repeated angle patterns. Parallel beams and braces use equal and supplementary angles for alignment. Grid and perspective drawings depend on consistent relationships between parallel edges. Arrow markings confirm that lines are parallel. Without them, the special angle rules are not guaranteed. Naming the relationship before calculating prevents equal angle and supplementary angle rules from being mixed. Complex diagrams are solved by chaining one justified relationship at a time. A transversal crosses parallel lines. One corresponding angle is 68 degrees. The matching corner at the second intersection is a corresponding angle, so it is equal. The missing angle is 68 degrees. An alternate interior angle is 112 degrees. The angle between the parallel lines on the opposite side of the transversal is alternate, so it is equal. The missing angle is 112 degrees. Two co-interior angles are 73 degrees and x degrees. Co-interior angles total 180, so 73 plus x equals 180. Subtract 73. X equals 107 degrees. Complete example. Corresponding angles are 3x plus 10 and 5x minus 30 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal, so 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 30. Subtract 3x and add 30. 40 equals 2x, so x equals 20. Both expressions give 70 degrees. 3 times 20 plus 10 and 5 times 20 minus 30. Don't use parallel line rules unless the lines are marked or stated as parallel. Don't assume every pair is equal. Co-interior angles add to 180 instead. And identify the exact angle positions, not just whether they look close in the sketch. Practice question 1. A corresponding angle to 64 degrees is labeled x. Option A is 116. Option B is 32. Option C is 64. Option D is 180. Pause, name the equal angle relationship. Option C is correct. X equals 64 degrees. Corresponding angles between parallel lines are equal. Practice question 2. Co-interior angles are 118 degrees and x. Option A is 62. Option B is 118. Option C is 72. Option D is 242. Pause. Use the 180-degree co-interior total. Option A is correct. X equals 62 degrees. 180 minus 118 is 62. Practice question 3. Alternate angles 4x plus 6 and 2x plus 46 are equal. Option A is 10. Option B is 26. Option C is 40. Option D is 20. Pause, set the two angle expressions equal, and solve. Option D is correct. X equals 20. 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 46. Subtract 2x and 6 to get 2x equals 40. Let's wrap up. Corresponding and alternate angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Co-interior angles add to 180 degrees. Check the parallel markings, name the relationship, then write one justified equation at a time. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.